Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Saturday 2nd of April. And if you guys want to take a technical analysis course, you can do so. If you want to pay 29 bucks instead of 49, join me into the Discord and message me on the Discord, and I'm going to tell you how to do so. Right, let's get into the charts, guys. And this is looking so amazing, man. SLP is super awesome. And yesterday on the Discord as well, people were actually panicking when SLP was coming down to the 194. And I actually draw this trend line for you, and it seems like that was an excellent buying opportunity, because look, all you did is you went up, come back, hold the trend line, and this is where you're holding the trend line now. I do want to say though, tomorrow you might be set for an explosion, maybe to the downside as well, but the chances of going to the downside, to me, it's nonsense, it's stupid. I don't know why would it want to go to the downside at this point of time. I mean, there's no sense for SLP to go down at this point of time, because the way you're just sitting above the EMAs is really incredible. Look, if you're just above the 55, you are not interested to lose the 55 on any given day. Just look at that. It's been a long time you've been above the 55. Now you're actually holding the support level. Why do people say it's gonna go down? I mean, saying it's gonna go down is far away from the truth of the reality of going down, because for to go down, there's a process. You must lose some certain level of support, which you're not losing, you're respecting actually. So as long as you're respecting support, you can support the coin. When you lose support, you don't support the coin. Simple put, this is the only thing I want you to understand. It comes down here, lose support, goes down, back test and fails, and then boom, you don't support the coin anymore. You sell the coin, you don't hold it. It's risky to hold it, by the way, and that, of course, nothing is his financial advice, but this is just based on my own experience. And right now, the reason why I think tomorrow is set for an explosion, or maybe in 2 days, who knows, is that this apex is coming very, very near. You can see this is a price level where we have been restricted ever since March 23. Yeah, like 9 days you've been restricted in this area, and now finally tomorrow, boom, you break out of it, and then you fly to the upside. And we do know there's a lot of news out there for origin coming in April of 7th, and today's 2nd of April. So from tomorrow, all of this news can start to take effect, and we might start to look at this one going up like this, come down, and then boom, you break out of that and you're looking to go to the upside. So I do hope we do actually go and reach this price level, the 0.0309, somewhere down the road, and from there, who knows, go on and take out the 0.04 and reach the 0.07 in the near distant future. I do hope this turns out to be true. Let's see what happens. But to me, guys, it seems like tomorrow there is an explosion coming very near due to this apex. If not tomorrow, then the day after tomorrow, maximum 3 days. There is an answer coming in max 3 days. Okay, and that's it for SLP update. Once again, to check out the course, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.